cord so we get that angle on it as well. Out of the way. Come down here with this. We'll go right across here. Right here. This. Just here. So here. Zino chicken right there. Come over here and see if we have anything. Here's what we have to do. Fingers to work here. Here we go. And let's see what we. Yeah, I got it right side down. I think I do. There we go. Got it right side up now. Cut this. Cut this one here. Here's what we got here. It's just a box. There'd be the Zino. Got spare parts right here. We got a micro USB cable. And of course the 3 controller cables. Tell me Type C for Android. We got a full set of propellers. There's nothing underneath that. There's nothing down underneath that. So we'll set this back over here. And we got a screwdriver. We'll see what we got. Straight or Phillips straight. A little straight screwdriver. Looks good. Okay. Now, this is going to be the controller. Yes, sir, Bob. That's the controller. The gimbals definitely feel better than they did on the original Zino. That's for sure. Still cheap gun. Okay. Got our instruction manual. See how well that. Looks like a pretty good manual. I'll have to read through this tonight. Got something else under here. I'm not sure what this is underneath here. Oh, that's the charger. Got the battery charger right here. Put that back in this box over here. And here's the adapter that goes on the battery. Right here. Okay, so that's that. Set this, put this back in here and pull the Zino out. Take a look at this dude. I think that's all that's in this box. We'll set it over here. And you can actually use the box for a oh, that came off there pretty doggone easy there. That really wasn't attached, I don't think. Chris says you put it on there straight, then tip up, and then push in. Really? Okay, we'll try that again. I'm going to set it down for right now. Get these off the arms here so we can unfold them. Actually, I think you can just do it like that. Yeah. Well, that works. Sorry, don't fall down. There she be, right there. A nice little Hubsan Zino. That camera. Everybody shows a little piece of plastic that comes over the camera lens. I don't have one. Unless it fell in here. Nope, I just don't have one. Okay, well, I hope that's not a bad omen. Click in there or not. My gimbal guard. I guess it's on there now. I guess. That's that. That goes there. That's that, like that. And then like that. Alright. Seems to be pretty good. It's got rubber on these. Rubber up here on this. I got something online here. Not quite sure what that is. Let's see if I can get that to take off of there. Looks like it might be some kind of hot glue or something. Yeah, that's all it is, some hot glue. Okay. Button. Looks like it's half charged. Well, that's it. See how the battery comes off here. That's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. Okay. Come over here. Now there's supposed to be a door here somewhere. There it is. For the SD card. That's what I don't like about this, because I don't have fingernails. So I just grabbed me a little pick. I'll pull it out and see what we got. Okay, there it is right there. But you really need to, I guess, carry this with you if you don't have to get in there for any reason. Okay, well, that's it. That's the unboxing. We'll get it charged up and see how it goes. Thank you for watching.